Finally, look what I got. Hi guys, welcome back. Oh yeah, things are really on the up and up now. Just want to show you something I picked up. 5 cubic foot wheelbarrow made by Yardworks. You know, I got this from Menards. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need it. It's gonna come in handy. This is my first one, so I'm real excited. You know how it is. Anyway, I need it for a couple projects. The first being the fence I plan on installing. Talk to you about that. Also, I need to remove a bunch of rocks and dirt I dug up from the front yard. So I'm doing it different this year. I'm doing it the right way. Okay? 25 bucks for the trade, 25 for the hardware, 18 for the legs. You do the math. Hope that's still about 68 bucks. I think it's a good deal. Take care. Bye.